Hello everyone. The admission committee of the Vinod Gupta School of Management presents Prep Shots, a new series of videos where we shall be interviewing the candidates who are currently studying in VGSoM, and they shall be sharing various tips and tricks for you all to ace the coming examination. In today's video, we have Prithvijit Das, one of the meritorious students of the current batch of 2020 to 2022. We welcome you, Prithvijit.
Thank you, Romani.
Okay. So, with this, we begin with our interview. So, my question to you is you must be aware of the current changes in the pattern of CAT. The time has been reduced from 3 hours to 2 hours with 40 minutes per section. So, and also this is just 1 month left for the D-Day. So, what would you be advising the candidates for the last lap, because it is highly crucial for all of them?
So at the very outset, I'd like to address the problem or whatever concerns the aspirants might have regarding the changed structure of the examination. So I'd like to say that don't worry too much about it, because it's just the time has been shortened. The overall pattern has not changed. So you don't need to worry about changing or going about developing or devising a new strategy to achieve a high percentile in CAT. So you don't have to worry about that. And since there's only 1 month left, I would really ask you to focus on mocks, because that's what will help you analyze and let you know where exactly are you strong, what are your weak points, and you can develop them accordingly.
Okay. So, as we were talking about the last month that is left, so you must have made some kind of a schedule, or there has been some sort of time management strategy that you adopted while preparing for the examination. And there are candidates either studying for the semesters or working in any company. So, what are your suggestions for the time management?
Okay, so in my case, I was working in an IT firm when preparing for CAT. So to all working professionals, I would say that even in spite of your hectic schedules, try to find some sort of time pockets where you can concentrate and give your 100% to the subject you're preparing for. So let's say you have a 1 hour slot and you are able to give your all during that time. That will be enough. Even 1 hour per week, 1 hour per day would be enough. So you don't have to worry about that. And don't compare your schedules with others, because their situations might be different. Now, as for people who are preparing for the semester examinations, there's one thing that I can suggest, which is you don't need to treat CAT separately. Don't treat it as a separate entity, because in CAT, it's how you apply your knowledge that matters. So instead of focusing or shifting your focus totally from the semester examinations, try and try and solve application-based questions, because that will help you get your mind into the right frame to solve CAT level questions.
And last but not the least, any tips and tricks from your side which were helpful for you when you were preparing for CAT and you would like to share with the candidates watching this video?
Sure, Romani. So at the very start, I would like to say, play to your strengths. CAT is an examination where your score will be the final, uh, will have the final say. So play to your strengths. Now, be careful about that, because there might be a few low-hanging fruit which are based on topics which you consider your weaknesses. So don't neglect your weaknesses as such. Cover as much as you can, and that just might be the differentiating factor between a high percentile. Even one question could make a difference in you getting 99 percentile or 100 percentile even. So don't worry about that. And lastly, I would like to say that treat the timer as your friend. Be aware of it, and don't get don't go with the flow when you're solving the questions. Be aware of the time, and it'll help you focus better during the examinations. So that's all from my side.
With this, we come to the end of our video. A big thank you to Prithvijit for coming up and sharing his thoughts and various tips and tricks that the candidates would definitely find helpful for their preparation. So thank you, Prithvijit.
Thank you, Rumani, for calling me, and all the best to all the aspirants for this year.
So with this, we come to the end of our video. I wish very best of luck to the candidates who are watching this video. Make use of this time and be safe. Bye, everyone.